Oh yeah, here we go. One looks okay. Two, maybe slightly bent. Three is the bad boy. Bent like heck. Just a little twisted. Four, that's straightish. Five, yeah, it's bent. Six, yeah, she's bent. Seven, possibly straight. Eight, definitely bent. So I might as well replace all the rods. Yeah. That piston's definitely going to be replaced, or the crank kissed it. But yeah, here we go. I guess all new rods, and I don't know if I want to reuse these pistons or not. I have to see what I can afford and what I can't. Probably can't afford new pistons, but I'd look anyway. Yep, she's just a little twisted. Twisty, twisty. And hammer it back. I'll put it in the vise right here and straighten it out. Crank looks okay, except for where it hit the piston, but hit it too badly. Yeah, looks fine. Turns okay. A little milky. Tomoko.